Schools can be a good model for sustainability as we spend considerable time of our life in schools. Green schools are those which have low energy and water consumption and low or zero waste. In fact, green schools can also be net zero buildings, implying that they will have net zero impact during their operational life. They can be designed or retrofitted to be energy efficient. They would use renewable energy such as solar PV cells, recycle wastewater, harvest rainwater, compost and recycle waste. They can incorporate terrace farming and grow their own food, develop organic farming or even hydroponics or greenhouses, and supply local organic food to the students. While all these things can be easily undertaken by the management, green schools will be truly successful if the if all of these activities are integrated with the curriculum and students activities and become student activities. Schools can also remediate pollution such as noise, dust and air pollution through creation of barriers and where possible increase the green and blue infrastructure by planting trees and shrubs and water bodies and increase the biodiversity, attracting birds, insects, butterflies onto the campus. All of this can be recognized by one of the green rating systems such as IGBC or Indian Green Building Council, LEED, ASSOCHAM GEM or GRIHA by a certified silver, gold or platinum green certification. This will recognize the school's green commitment and spread the message for other schools to follow. So, join the movement and make your school campus a green campus. This is Dr. Roshni Yehuda, President of the Institute of Environmental Architecture and Research in Mumbai, signing off and looking forward to interacting with you on 23rd May. Thank you.